I forgot you got heavy motor on the footage. 319 nigga right here bleed that shit. That nigga say he bleed that shit. This nigga say he Subaru but he wear orange and shit. You feel me?
Get the red car, nigga.
You feel me? What the red car? Oh damn, nigga Subaru out here, man.
40's on the ladybug.
40's on the ladybug, and he bleed that shit. He bleed 319 now. So if y'all see him and he start bleeding, y'all better know it's 319. Don't be dumb. Damn, my battery going dead. That bit wet. That ain't even wet fan and buff yet, man. Oh, y'all hear that heavy motor? Y'all hear that footage, bitch. Don't be dumb. Ooh, what that? With the little chair on that bitch. You can't go fast with that little old chair on that bitch. He crazy. He be driving it with that bitch crazy, driving that shit.
Get that shit right.
He driving that bitch with that little ass chair like that.
Let me get that shit right.
He on this right. Get out the way. He can't drive. He can't drive it. He can't drive it. He can't drive. I hope you ain't hit that gate. I hope you ain't hit that gate.
Yeah.
Go pull that bit back in the road, in the driveway. So you on YouTube? No. Yeah, that foot is not knowing how to drive. Hell yeah, that foot is not knowing how to drive. Don't hit that gas. Don't hit the gas with me standing right here. This is crazy. Let me get out of the way. Oh, y'all better get out of the way. Y'all better get out of the way. Oh, this is just crazy. This is crazy as fuck. You little stupid crazy bitch. He running though. He running. He running. He running. He running. He's been getting it. He's crazy as fuck.
Yeah.
Bitch, you crazy. That bitch crazy. He crazy. He just gave nigga some footage though, but he crazy with the camera going dead.
I'm like, don't run to
He crazy with the camera going dead, bitch.
Hey.
That bitch is nuts.
When that bitch lost it right there?
That bitch crazy, on tape. He lost it on tape, on YouTube.
Lord, I hope he.
That bitch crazy. Hey, 31 entertainment, nigga. Hey, you talking about? Nigga, that shit running, nigga, right now. Nigga, with the red bug on, can't beat that, right?
Nah, ain't nobody. That's coming out.
You got the grass?
That's coming out satellite and all.
You got footage of the grass?
I got footage of the aftermath. Done on that line. The battery going dead. Y'all better get out the way. Please get out the road. Y'all better get out the road. That big crazy. That big crazy. He crazy. Curse his ass out. Curse him out. He thought it was. He thought it was. Ooh. I don't like, bitch, how you hitting donut with that? Bitch, you would have fell off that chair right there. Look at the interior, the fiberglass. He done snatched that fiberglass. Don't be dumb. Y'all see that bit horsing. Yeah, for the judge. For the judge.
Who almost lost that bitch?
That was that nigga's seat. Now y'all see that was that nigga's seat. So if he would have flew out that bitch. So y'all gotta give him some props because he was riding on this little old chair. Yeah, that bitch.
It bust. And I slumped down. That's why I couldn't.
That real footage right here, man.
I seen that gate. I had to turn that bitch.
So what do you think about your car? I hear the cops coming around right now.
I ain't got nothing to say.
Oh, I hear the cops coming.
I ain't got nothing to say.
You ain't got nothing to say. The car speaks for itself. Yeah, you got deep.
What do you got when I lost it and all?
I got everything. Everything on tape right now.